How to download VLC Media Player on Windows 10 or Windows 11. VLC Media Player is a free software. To download it, open any browser on your computer. Search for VLC in Google search bar. Now open the first website, videoland.org. Click on the small drop-down arrow in front of the download button. From here, select your device or Windows version for which you want to download VLC Media Player. The VLC Media Player will start downloading automatically, but if it doesn't, click on Click Here. When the VLC installer file is downloaded, double-click on the installer file to install it on your computer. Click on the Language drop-down menu and select your language. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Next once more. Click on Browse and select the location where you want to install VLC Media Player. Click on the Install button. Click the Finish button. As you can see, the VLC Media Player has been downloaded to your computer. If you like this video, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.